Hi everyone, Michael Miller here. Today we're going to talk about how to start a fire using a fire starter. It's very simple. 3 easy steps. Light the fire starter, place the fuel, and go get a beer. All right, first we're going to grab a fire starter and just put it in the center of the fire pit. Let's make sure that we have plenty of air supply in whatever fire pit you've got. Make sure you've got plenty of airflow. And we're just going to start this fire by dropping a match right on the fire starter. It'll get going, and then we're just going to place the fuel right alongside of it. I'm just using some nice dry logs here. We'll place that fuel right there. And sometimes you can start by just placing other logs right on top of it, provided you've got a good fire starter. I like to use just a little bit of kindling. I'm using dry pine right here. Bridge over that fire starter, put on a couple of logs, little crosshatch method. There you go, there's your fire. Walk away, you come back in 5 minutes, it's good to go. And there you go. If you like this video, just click subscribe and we'll see you next time. Next time we're going to talk about how to build a smokeless fire. I think you're going to like it.